Welcome to DIY for Homeowners by Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki. Recently on an online forum that I follow, there's been a lot of discussion about millennials and how they can't do anything. In fact, some can't even screw in a light bulb.
Well, this millennial can change a light bulb, but I don't change light bulbs. I change light fixtures so that they last 17 to 45 years.
Now, LED lighting technology has come a long ways, and now they're integrating the LED lighting into the actual fixture. So what that means is, across all generations, we may never have to change another light bulb.
7 years ago, when I moved into my house, I did replace the fixture with a 4-bulb fluorescent light fixture, and I did have LED bulbs in that, so I did get the benefits of LED. But over time, the cover for the light fixture has fallen down multiple times. I've had to put it back up, and recently it fell off completely on the ground and broke. So now I've had this exposed light fixture, and I wasn't happy with it. I've been looking for a solution to replace it, and we were at Costco the other day, and we saw this great light panel that lasts 50,000 hours. I thought, hey, this is perfect. So that's what we're gonna do right now, is switch that out. The first step was to turn the power off to this switch. Then we removed the old bulbs, the wiring, and took down the old fixture. Now in some states, electrical work must be done by certified electricians, so make sure you know the rules in your state, and if you're not comfortable with things like this, please make sure you hire an electrician. We got the screws removed and took the fixture down, and now it's time to open the new Skylight that we're installing. This is actually called a Skylight, but it's just a regular light. So we took the packaging off, and here you can see the mounting plate. I'm just removing the packaging, and I'm going to install the mounting plate. And before I did anything, I read the manual, made sure I knew what needed to happen and which steps needed to happen first. And right now I'm laying out the screws on top of the ladder, and here I'm putting the mounting plate into place. And I'm temporarily putting the mounting plate into place as it says in the instructions, and then I'm going to mark the 4 sides where the unit will screw into the ceiling. Pilot holes are drilled, and here are the anchors. Now we put the mounting plate back into place and officially attach it to the ceiling. Here's the light, nice and thin. It does come with a hook that hooks to the mounting plate, so you don't have to have 2 hands. Mom's just here keeping it level for me. And now I'm just doing the simple wiring, white to white, black to black, and ground to ground. And then they're all secured with the wire nuts that were included with the light. With all the cables in place, the light just slides right into place onto the mounting plate. And done. Let's try it out. Works perfect. What we learned. Now you're probably wondering about the price. Well, the price of this one that we got at Costco was $70 at the time of purchase, but you know Costco doesn't always have everything, so if you want it, you want to check your Costco right away. I was looking online quickly for a traditional fixture, and it was about the same price without bulbs. I would definitely say this is comparable to a traditional fixture, but you don't have to replace those bulbs, and it's a lot thinner, and it was very simple to install as well.
Did you notice that ladder we were using? It's double-sided, and we're going to be sharing a lot more about that ladder in a future episode because it does all kinds of things, not just double-sided, but we think it's going to replace some other ladders that we have, so stay tuned for that.
And if you're wondering about the other lights here in my garage, we actually installed those a year ago, and we took all the footage of installing, but we never actually made that video. They're very similar to lights that we installed in Mom's house even before that. If you want us to show you how we did that, let us know in the comments and we'll put that video together. The difference between those lights and the one we just installed is those lights are actually plug-in, and the light we just installed is hardwired, so that's why we have 2 different lights here in the garage. But the nice thing is now they're all the same color temperature. Before, my old LED bulbs in the fluorescent fixture were not the same color temperature, and that always bothered me too. So I'm very happy with the consistent color in my garage now.
If you want to support us, please hit that like button and subscribe and watch that next video. Better yet, watch it with your millennial and teach them something. Although I've taught my millennial lots of stuff.
Millennials know how to do stuff. It's these boomers over here. I don't know.
This boomer taught my millennial how to do stuff.
It's true. I think generations can come together,
Yes.
work together. That's what we do.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
Yes. What? Is it all on my hair?
I can't tell. Same color as your hair.
That's right. Oh yeah. Oh, nice.